approach 22 right, 600 Bravo Tango. Thank you.
500.
Now watch when you put in that final notch. So we're all the way up to 500.
You should not put in the final notch until you're off the autopilot, which, since we're going missed, we're just going to hit toga and go. And we're never going to see the second notch. Or I should
see, look at that. I mean, 500 pounds to keep it, you know, it's
no.
where I get, it gets funny playing with it.
Until you're off the autopilot, you should not be less than 120. Yeah. All right, so toga.
There we go.
Pitch, or just power, actually, in your case, yeah. 1250, 1300-ish on the torque. And everything else will take care of itself. We're going to hold in the climb greater than 110 knots. So be generous with the power until the pitch gets resolved. Positive rate, gear flaps. Right, flaps right away, no delay. That'll give us our opportunity to, as the airspeed melds to 120-ish or 130-ish, we match the filch and away we go.
And Tower Meridian 600 Bravo Tango, we are on the mist.
Meridian 600 Bravo Tango, Roger, what are your intentions?
Publish mist if we can not be in anybody's way.
We're going to do the publish mist if we're not in anybody's way.
600 Bravo Tango, that should not be a factor. I'll turn the lights off, go ahead and proceed with the publish mist. The Foker's going to be leaving the pattern a little bit, working out to the northeast.
Okay, thanks. 600 Bravo Tango, we'll keep an eye out.
We'll look out for that.
Yeah, 190 Alpha Fox, returning base.
All right, so we're going to climb, maintain 3,000.
Roger, report turning final for 22 right.
Right.
And 190 Alpha Fox, turning final.
And we're going to do what Garmin says. So now we're going to the intersection mapper. Sorry.
No, we are not.
We are not.
No,
that's missed approach. Right, we're going to Limey. Good thing we're not sailors. $200 to go.
All right, gears up, flaps up. We're going to go back auto.
All right, so when Betty says 200, recommend you
bring some power back off.
Yeah, well, or just consider it anyway. Yeah. Good, nicely done. We're on our way.